Good evening, everybody. How y'all doing, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, you all look vibely, and deliciously. It's nice to be nice, yeah? Yeah. What if that guy was to present a State of the Nation address? Yeah, because, you know, the corruption is everywhere. It's on the beach side, on the gym side, on the shower side. And some of you MPs have been taking a bribe from the year to the year to the year to the month to the week. I'm sure right after that, Paul, everyone is like, so, Mr. President, how do you feel so far? Oh, last year they put my this for war. This year, oh, everything was delivered fresh. But you know these social network videos, one that blew my mind was, hello, my name is Brahma Kamu, aka Buku Babu, African Mayweather. Who made him African Mayweather? I don't understand why it's just that insults me and my brother I to power. Salt. If you should give them money, they are ungrateful. Salt, me and my brother I to power. We come to salt him too. In fact, everybody know you have AIDS. AIDS. I shout coco. Look at your mom, you got it. Do you know when I realized his drama was finished? When he was like, and the peak of that video was my own brother. It's not that nigga. What if you are beaten up by some boys and you call your uncle Aite Powers to go and defend you? You expect him to go and throw punches and you go there. Mr. Pujo, why are they? Why do you think you're a useless uncle? With that being said, I believe Aite Power was a bit gayish in that video. Yes, and on that note, yes, we will still not accept it. If you're a Christian and you accept gayism, your lashes are waiting in heaven. Yes. Because dealing with gays is kind of difficult. Because you see, the law says that if we catch them, we put them in jail with other gay people. Now you bear with me, that is not punishment, that's honeymoon. Because at the law court, when somebody is convicted, you can see on the face, 3 years jail. Thinking about how he or she is going to deal with you. Have you ever seen a gay man convicted in papers before? You can tell the joy on the face. You have been convicted 5 years in jail for being gay. Okay. I'm so sad. Can I go now? It's true. America is giving us pressure to legalize gayism. We don't want to legalize it. Do you know the solution to that? I found a solution to solving gayism in Ghana. If we catch you and you are gay, because America like this, we'll send you to America. Are you with me? If we catch you and you are gay, you go to America. Go and live there. Ghana is not for you. That is where you see the number of by force gays in Ghana. You see guys in the ghetto, Charlie, this is a new move now. This will be gay, no, straight America. Charlie, for look, Charlie, let me be gay. Let's see where they want. I'll be gay, Charlie, straight. Solution. At the interview, when you see gays wearing baggy jeans and combat, Charlie was walking. You come for the gay something. America, straight up. It's also you're gay, I'll be gay, bad gay. Where is my face? Senior gay, Charlie. Yeah. Okay, so if you're gay, can you kiss your brother over there? But you full of what? Why you feel saying like I'll be normal gay, like, you know, those kind of gay way they do. No, I'm American gay, straight up. Don't fool with me. For real though. And when I watch America, I watch Africa, the way that leaders behave, I think their leaders are mature. America, you know, abroad, the leaders are mature. Africa, our leaders are beyond maturity. We have menopause leaders. Because I've never seen an American election where Obama and Putin has to leave his office and go and talk to Obama over the election, that he shouldn't fight and the results are declared. Only Africa, one Nigeria election, ECOWAS chairman, ECOWAS security man, ECOWAS chefs, everybody moving to Nigeria. Camping Jonathan in the room. Jonathan, calm down. Jonathan, look at me in the face. Calm down. Don't bring the ball. It's Boko Haram. Don't mind them. Look at me. But no, I know. Yes, you've lost. It's fine. Losing is election loss is like wait. You always come back. Calm down. Look at me. Smile. You've lost. It's fine. Look at the Akufo Addo. He has lost 2 times. He's still fine. Calm down, okay? Calm down. So come, let's go. You're gonna declare, okay? Just calm down.
Why the prayer manti? The prayer manti. Why the prayer manti? Cardinal, me mama won't know this. Abasi, why the prayer manti? Me mama want know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy batty. Abasi why the prayer manti. Me mama want know what me do, me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase